I promise nothing was happening.
Thank
in
you.
here.
Bye.
Stay there, you mad sluts!
Mango, do you need to have the talk again? Just don't be silly, rap your willy. You don't want to...
I don't know what this zap thing does, but put it down.
Because, you know, even though it's a dead demon, I don't know how that works. You know, they might still be able to, you know...
Sorry, I get allergies.
Yeah. Oh, shit, my fault. Yeah, you got it, bro.
Just everything. So, like, it's more like, it's like radio pop kind of vibe at Coachella. What's better, OJ or apple juice? Oh, man. I'm gonna have to go with... I might be an apple juice man. I might be an apple juice guy. I might be an apple juice... With my tissues. I got him! I got him! I got him. Oh, yeah. Oh, bro, dying. Man, allergies bad. Oh. It's the fucking weather changes, bro. It's the weather changes. And then 8 coffees a day. Probably don't do that. You might have a heart attack. And, yeah.
Hope well.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine.
Oh, that hurt. The slugs are crazy. Yikes.
Excuse me. How am I? I'm very good. Very good. Also,
before this, did you really know what I was?
oh my god, I just remembered. Ew. My allergies. You guys have got my allergies, you guys have got allergies, dude. You guys have got really bad allergies.
Cluttered. All of our books, all of our camera equipment, mic stands.
I can't imagine how difficult it is to act. You know what I mean? And be a good actor, you know?
Voiceover equipment.
It's as much of a living space as you can have in the tight quarters. It's kind of the all-purpose room. Yeah. Especially when one of the two of us is still asleep, the other one has to get up and do something. This becomes kind of the de facto space.
Of some sort. Just fucking go home, rest, and then I only figured out that I had a UTI later. Yeah, but I'm just drinking a lot of water. I always feel like I have to pee. I'm like just pissing buckets, man. I can't even lie to you.
When can I be considered an OG? I've been here since the first Alien Isolation game.
OG.
Wait, you've already got a city down?
Yeah, I've got a city down.
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the fuck? The most expensive and highest penthouse in the world. Manhattan. I think if I went back to America, right-hand side Baz here, there's shots.
I just need movement stuff. So I don't mean...
Yeah, I've only got the ODM gear. Could sneeze.
Oh yeah, shots over here.
Ah! Let's take this roof.
What about a white lightsaber? What about a red one? Just for me, red and white together. Like a candy cane, yeah.
You might get purple.
It'd be a shame for me to participate in a film like this and never get to use my lightsaber.
Oh, I thought it was really good. Probably shouldn't play it when you're fucking... Fuck, bro, I'm covered in sweat, man. You know those times where you know those times where you know you're so sick if you take off your jumper, you're going to be freezing, so you might as well sweat it out? Yeah or nay if you're with me. Well, I'm just sweating it out, brother. I'm just sweating it out. Oh, sorry, I'm going to sneeze, so... Help me. Help! Oh, I'm okay. I'm alright.